Welcome to LPU, where present meets future. We learn how to think in code, to build things that move, predict, fly. We're teaching it how to do yoga. Just kidding. Ever had a class where your guest lecturer is a top engineer from, say, Google or Microsoft? Our mentors are also from top firms, and we have joint courses with Google Cloud, Microsoft, Intel, IBM, and AWS Academy. It's like having a cheat code to the tech industry. Our work integrated program helps us earn while we learn, often enough to pay for college ourselves. Now you can finally live your tech genius college dropout turned entrepreneur dream without even dropping out. Because why drop out when you can learn from industry experts from around the world on a campus that spreads across hundreds of acres with over 37,000 students across 150 different disciplines? At LPU campus, we have over 1,000 activities planned annually, like this AI Hackathon. Placements here are not a promise, they're data. All top recruiters want LPU grads. One of our seniors even got offered over 2 crore. We weren't sure if we should congratulate him or ask him for funding. I did both, obviously. The world of AI and computing isn't coming. It's already here. And we are mastering it in style. Ready to future-proof your future?